The most important thing about learning English, I think, is doing mistakes. It's like a same thing to do mistakes all the time and not to correct them. And when you are starting working with your mistakes and doing it all the time, you understand that you are in the flow. And when you are flowing, you are starting to get the idea that you are conscious and you are good and you are doing the right thing and you are saying the right thing, and you start to be more happy, and you can speak with everybody without judging yourself. My fear was to meet a football player and start to speak with him in English. If I'm going to host something like the Champions League, it will be no problem for me to speak with somebody English, because it's okay and it's live, you understand? So I can do it, I think. Now I can do it, and therefore I'm happy with Express. The fact that I can do my lecture, it's 1 hour and 10 minutes of speaking and speaking and speaking fast. The way that I'm doing it today in English, it's amazing. The only thing is about the flow. When you are in a flow, it's okay.